Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Set on a lakeside estate that has remained in the same family for nearly a century, Brom by Canadian architecture and interior design studio AtelierCarle is a home deeply rooted in memory, landscape and lineage. Located in Quebec's eastern townships, the new home replaces an early 20th century house built of timber and rubble stone that had fallen beyond repair. While the original structure could not be salvaged, the new design maintains a strong physical and conceptual connection to its past.